Understanding millage rates in your tax jurisdiction. Imagine trying to figure out how much you will pay in property taxes without knowing the rate. It's like trying to guess the cost of a meal without knowing the menu prices. Millage rates are the key to understanding how your property taxes are calculated. A millage rate is a tax rate used to determine how much you owe based on your property's assessed value. 1 mil equals $1 of tax for every $1,000 of assessed property value. So if your property is assessed at $100,000 and the millage rate is 5 mils, your property tax would be $500. The assessed value of your property is usually a percentage of its market value. Some places assess at 100% of market value, while others might assess at 80%. This means your local tax assessor looks at your property and decides how much it is worth for tax purposes. To find out your property tax, you multiply the assessed value by the millage rate divided by 1,000. For example, if your assessed value is $100,000 and the millage rate is 5 mils, you divide 5 by 1,000 to get 0.005, then multiply that by $100,000, which gives you $500 in taxes. In most cases, different government agencies within your area set their own millage rates. These can include the county, city, school district, and special districts like fire or water districts. Each of these authorities sets its own rate based on their funding needs. The total property tax you pay is the sum of all these individual rates applied to your assessed value. Millage rates can change every year. Local governments review their budgets and may decide to increase or decrease rates. Property owners receive notices called truth in millage notices, which show the proposed rates and how they will affect your bill. Changes in your property's assessed value or exemptions like homestead exemptions can also influence how much you owe. Understanding the millage rate in your area helps you predict your property tax bill and see how local services are funded. It also explains why property taxes can vary a lot between different places, even if the properties are similar in market value. Different assessed value ratios and combined millage rates from multiple authorities all play a part in your final tax amount.